So I found out they thought we were the CIA or the government. Do you remember when we went to maintenance in Tampa?
Yeah.
That was a long day. Do you remember where we left? We did start from Houston. And the previous day, we had left Bullhead City, Arizona, middle of Arizona, Nevada,
Everything gets better the further east.
and we stopped in Roswell, New Mexico. So we left the middle of nowhere, Nevada. We went to Roswell, New Mexico. Our tail number was blocked from all flight tracking websites, and the owner of the airplane was blocked. On top of all of that, the producers told the maintenance team that there was a guy that needed to sleep on the airplane while the airplane was in maintenance. So all of this combined, the guys at the maintenance place thought for sure we were like some kind of crazy CIA or government or something. They were expecting to work on an airplane and having to work around classified material because this guy was going to sleep on the airplane. That's a great story that I wish we would have come up with right earlier in the challenge. Because you remember we went up to Providence, Rhode Island?
Yeah.
And they didn't want me to sleep on the airplane? Yep. And in Miami, they didn't want me to sleep on the airplane, and you had to deal with all that?
Oh yeah. That is with a lot of, patty eyes.
So charming. Yeah. It's pretty weird when Obina would walk into the FBO and tell them that the guy needed to sleep on the airplane.
Yeah, they'd be like, we have a pilot's lounge with a recliner chair. He can sleep there. I'm like, no. He prefers the airplane.
Do you remember when we went to Teton Aviation in Driggs, Idaho?
Uh-huh.
Those guys actually thought that whatever company we were working for was so cheap that they didn't want to pay for a hotel. They had an apartment in the FBO that they were going to offer me. They were like, we have a little room with a bed and everything. We were just going to wait for all your people to leave and then offer you this bed. Did you know that?
I didn't know that, no.
You know that? They were so nice. They were like the coolest dudes up there. Yeah, I'd been there before.
That FBO was amazing. Everybody there was great.
They were really good. Yeah. They even offered to bring... Oh, no, they did bring me. I had DoorDash, so it wasn't like cheating. But there was no DoorDash in Driggs, Idaho. And one of the line guys brought me this amazing breakfast. It was like... it was huevos rancheros, but it had like carne asada, and it was great.
Yeah, I remember myself and Chris. We got to the aircraft and we saw you eating that. We're like, hey,
Yeah.
like, dude, where's this from?
Yeah.
We left the airport and went to get ourselves up too.
I was having a super fancy breakfast, just sitting on the steps, and it was this beautiful day in Driggs, Idaho. The weather was perfect. Oh, that was the day we flew around Mount Rainier and Mount St. Helens. That was pretty cool too.
I miss it.
I miss going on an adventure with you. Well, I mean, here we are, though.
We did some really, really fun stuff. Kind of things you don't get to do flying corporate.